A cute wolf walks across an icy open field, where the bitter wind brushes over the snow-covered ground. Suddenly, he discovers a pile of discarded human waste, buzzing with thousands of bees. Curious but cautious, the wolf slowly approaches the trash. Bees fly wildly around as he sniffs the pile, drawn by a small piece of bread swarming with bees. But as he steps a little closer, a massive swarm bursts out of the trash, catching him by surprise. The wolf tries to back away, but it's too late. Millions of bees rise into the air and start swarming around him. He runs, terrified. But within seconds, his body is covered. Only his head remains visible through the thick, crawling layer of bees. Far from the trash now, the wolf is still running, but completely overwhelmed. He tries to leap away, but his legs give out. He collapses on the icy ground, still alive, still breathing. But millions of bees still blanket his body, sparing only his face. Just a short distance away, 4 wolves watch in distress, unable to help. One of them tries to approach, but quickly backs off as the bees swarm aggressively toward him. Realizing they can't save him alone, 3 wolves sprint off into the distance, searching desperately for help. Eventually, they find a young woman repairing her red open-roof Jeep in the snow. Startled by the wolves, she quickly understands something's wrong. Without hesitation, she leaves her Jeep and follows them. Soon, they reach the fallen wolf, still lying helpless in the snow, his body crawling with bees. The girl immediately calls for rescue. And without wasting a single second, the rescue team arrives, ready for action. They quickly set up safety barriers around the wolf, creating a protected zone. Then immediately begin the first stage of treatment to save the animal's life.